What's up, everyone? Gang, gang, baby, let's go get it. So I got a customer with a 12 by 40 by 10 walk-in freezer down. It's at 20 degrees, so new customer. She sounds super nice, so let's take this hour-and-a-half drive, get over here to this farm, and see if we can get their freezer going. Sounds like it just needs to be cleaned. She said it hasn't been cleaned in years, so we're gonna start there. You already know the usual. It's not too much that can be wrong. So this stuff's so easy. Once you learn refrigeration, so simple. Anyways, rock and roll. I don't know how, like, you know, if there's business owners who watch me, I don't know how you operate your business, but I operate mine like this, right? So if someone fucking, all right, here, I'll make a long story short. I went out, I did a maintenance for a new customer. I went back the next day, I looked at his juice machine. He thought I was coming out, driving an hour and a half, one way, hour and a half back the other way for free, right? So then he got all pissed off about the bill. Then his AC was 85 in there. It was 110 out. I went there, fixed the AC, cleaned it, power washed it. It was the hardest, stupidest fucking little thing to get through and get all my shit up there. And then he doesn't want to pay. 3 calls, $700. I tried to be really fucking nice about it because he's a new customer. And then this fucking dude wants to fucking play games. It's been over a month. Been trying to get my money. And then they're like, the manager's like, oh, I'm quitting tomorrow because he's not paying any of his employees, blah, blah, blah. Then he just calls me this morning like, hey, can you take $200 off because you didn't do anything when you came to look at the drink machine? I was like, yeah, no, I diagnosed it. You had 2 bad motors and a compressor. Like, yeah, I showed up. What do you, well, I thought it was going to be a favor. I was like, wait, hold on. I just met you and you do favors for people that you just met? Man, I don't do favors for people like just met, like not like that. You know what I'm saying? Might be like, hey, can you go pick up my kids from soccer practice real quick? What the fuck are you talking about? No. So anyways, so now his AC went down again. He's like, I'll sell you the money. Can you come help me? And I was like, yeah, if you sell me the money, I'll come over there. Bitch, fuck no. Are you crazy? I'm never going back over there. Fuck you. But I'm going to be nice as hell on the phone until I get my money. And then I'm going to block his number. So that's the best part about owning a business. I ain't got to talk to motherfucking nobody I don't want to talk to. So, I don't know. Just a little rant, you know? Anyways, but fuck people. All right. This is why we got a big old trend. Let's see how... which is good. Alright, let me open this thing up. Alright, it's running 7 over 210. 7, 210. Something going on here. Frozen solid, dude. Another piece of shit Trenton. No heater. No copper. Dude. Dude. That's the plug. Alright, I'm all set up. Melt this motherfucker. And then drain line. There we go. Let's see. That is crazy. Frozen solid. That is so crazy. Who did this? That is so insanity. I wonder if I get away with just putting a heater on this. Probably melt. Yeah, probably. Best thing about this thing is it's so nice. My favorite repair. Melting and fucking drain lines. Ugh. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. Oh yeah, God. That's so good. There goes my bit. Okay. Frozen solid. That's gonna be a fun one. I can feel it. It's gonna be a fun one. That shit out of there. Hello there. Alright, I'm gonna drop this fucking drain pan. Let's do it. One. There's a two. I got a bucket from ice. There's a three. 4, and actually I'm gonna keep this one in real quick, just in case it goes to fuck with me. It's like all these screws are barely hanging on. It's fucking crazy. Okay, now for the fun part. Oh wow, that thing's super frozy. Super frozy. Wow. Alright, well, let me test this motherfucker. Alright, couple little taps. These are nice. They got little hinges on them now. Yeah, this is because the drain, you can see where the ice is thicker on the bottom and shit, so not too crazy, but oh yeah. I'm an expert ice smacker. Try to get it real good, and then this way I can hit it with the hot water when I get done, and just melt the rest of that once I get the drain put back together and all that fucking jazz. Let me get that drain clear. Yeah, sticking to the floor, baby, sticking to the floor. All right, that one's good. Let's see, maybe a little bit more without hitting the coil. At least loosen it a little bit. I got it loosened. Alright, let me get the drain line done now. Whee! Not bad. Not bad. Always touch shit. There we go. Ooh, still a little warm there, bud. Let's see. Good. Pull it back a little bit. This way it'll drip just by the condenser. Self-cleaning condenser. Alright. Alright. Now we're getting somewhere. Alright, that's where I'm at. Getting there. Raise this up. I use a shark bite. Whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4 braises. Good. Alright, all braised up. A sizzling and a crackling. So. Ooh, baby. Alright. Next business, getting the heater on there and wiring it into there. Somewhere. Just scanning around in there and I found this guy burnt off of the relay right there. So it's just weird. The power comes in on N and X. And if you look at their schematic, oh yeah, I guess power does come in on N and X. Okay, that's strange, but whatever. All right, let me fix that wire. All right, I wired the heater hot between X and N, which is L1 and L2. So put it back together. I got to take these apart again, get all this fucking ice melted, and make sure I got no leaks. Hopefully not. All right, cool. I literally like twisted this thing 2 times around trying to get this one off and this one off. Fucking stupid. At least I got one. So, all right, time to fucking melt some ice. All right, coil jetter. Fucking 3 fucking hours, dude. I'm still melting fucking ice. I hate it. Not too shabby. That's what it is right now. So yeah. Going to like 5 fucking hours here. Man, that was a long one. From fucking 9 this morning till 2:15. Granted, I had to drive an hour and a half to go get a 208 volt heater. I only had 3 115 volts on me, so. But man, I'm gonna go back tomorrow, double check it. That EEV was sounding all crazy, so I took the plug off, put it back on, and fucking smacked it. Seemed to be feeding. I had 32 PSI, 404. Box was like 20 degrees, so not horrible, but I don't know. I'm gonna stop back over there tomorrow. I gotta fix their mini split. I'm like, I can't do it today, so I'm fucking dead. I need to go. I got like 5 calls that I pushed off for this one, not thinking it was gonna take me fucking till 2:15. So here we go out till 9 o'clock. Yay.